Hey guys, I'm back and it's almost Valentine's Day. So I thought I would do a Valentine's Day makeup look. I received the Natasha Denona Love collection. I feel like a lot of her palettes haven't really spoken to me recently, but the color story on this one is totally my vibe. So I thought I would give it a go for Valentine's Day. I also got the blush palette, which I'm gonna use. As you guys know, Natasha's palettes are pricey. So I'm gonna let you guys know what I think. Because if you want to spend your shmoney on it, you need to know if it's good. I'm gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna put my hair back. Now, to start out with, I'm going to prime with my Becca Skin Love Glow Shield Prime and Set Mist. So good. And then I got this Farsali liquid powder. And as someone with an oil slick of a forehead, I appreciate this kind of thing. So I'm just gonna drop, I'm just gonna drop some in the center of my face. Okay, cool. Put it on my nose and chin. It says massage until absorbed, so, ooh. And then my Ciate Extraordinary Foundation I thought would be good for this look. This one's in 116Y Sand. And I'm in just like a mood to use a brush. Oh, actually they gave me this 4-in-1 makeup brush. I thought this was pretty cool. They sent this to me recently. Let's give it a go-ski. Look at this brush. So you can you can, 4 brushes in the one brush. That's pretty cool. So you just screw it on. That's actually super handy for traveling. Now I suppose, oh my God, look. It's got like a little window there for it. That's crazy. I'm gonna use this for my foundation. Yeah, let's give it a go. Might dab this all over my face. Is it the right color? Well, if it's not, I'll add a lighter concealer after to even it out. Very nice. This brush feels great. Wonder if this brush is on Sephora. I love it. How beautiful is the finish of this foundation? Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows before I move on to eyes. This is the Benefit Brow Styler in 4.5. Just filling in the gaps. And then a brow gel. This one's by Surratt. Look at that. It's got one of those like vintage little brushes. It's cool, it's different, it's unusual. Just brush them up so they're nice and still. Okay, now I'm gonna prime my eyelids. This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. You don't want your makeup to be sliding around. I don't know what your plans for Valentine's Day are, but you definitely want your makeup to last through the night. Now let's go on to the palette. Take a look at those colors. I'm gonna use some of the softer colors, try to mix in a bit of the purple with some pinks. It's gonna be really soft and romantic. Is a nice contrast. How I'm trying to be this Valentine's Day. Okay, Trend Mood box. If you don't know what it is, my friend Sophie has these amazing boxes. She has one, I believe it's every month, and it's a really affordable deal for all the incredible high-end products that you get in it. So this one, the last one, had 3 brushes in it. And I think the box is like 50 bucks. If I'm wrong, I'll put the price there. But then you had like hundreds of dollars worth of product in there. The last one included this brush set. And I think I'm gonna use these for this look because I love Sigma. There's an E35 brush, an E25, and an E30 pencil brush. I think I'm gonna start with Pure Love. And I'm gonna focus this on the outer upper half of my crease. So I think I'll just pat it in first. This is the first time using this palette. Ooh, very pigmented. And then blend. I want it to be really soft, so I'm just gonna blend, 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 blend. Just going all over the general area. Then I'll take First, which is a matte color. I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. Then with that same brush, I'll take Transparent, which is like a, it's like a shimmery beige color on that same brush. Put that all over the eyelid. So pretty. Whatever's left on the brush, up under the brow bone. I'm gonna take that first brush, make sure the crease is blended in with that shimmer, even though these are both shimmers. I do feel like the crease color has come out like more pink than purple, because in the palette it's purple. See? But then on my eye, it looks a bit different. I mean, I didn't put that much on though. It's such a pretty color. If I packed it on, I think it would look like that, but I blended it out to an inch of its life. So now I'm going to take Giving, which is this pink, and it's a really pretty multi-dimensional pink. It's got that really reflective quality in it. And I'm gonna layer some of that. So I'm gonna put that on the tip of the blending E25, and I'm gonna layer that over the top of the crease. So when I first put it on, I've got it like horizontal, and then once I've got it in there, then I can flip the brush and use it vertically to blend, because then the edges of the brush will touch the parts above and below the crease. What do you think? I like that. Now I'm gonna take Giving and Pure Love mixed, and I'll take that under the eye. Big blending brush again. Let's soften all that out. I want everything to be really soft and romantic. With that little pencil brush, with this passion color, and this passion color is really pretty. It's a burgundy, but it has little purple flecks and gold flecks in it, so it's unique. And I'm gonna pop that just up here in the outer third and kind of sweep it up into the crease. Take our handy little creasy brush, go around the edges and into the socket. Okay, so eyeshadow is done. I love it. Bit of fallout there, but nothing huge. I'm gonna put concealer on later. Now I'm gonna move on to gel eyeliner. I swear, I don't think I've used gel eyeliner in 3 or 4 years. What the hell? So it means I need a really teensy little brush. And I'm gonna take my E06 from the Roxette, Arisa, and Sigma brush collection. This one's got the really pretty rose gold dipped and, stop going out of focus. The rose gold dipped end, and then the really nice precise angle brush. And this is the Bobbi Brown Longwear Twilight Night Shimmer Ink. So it's like a really deep, deep, deep plum, like it looks black there, but there are little flecks of like purple and burgundy flecks in there. Instead of being like a flat black, you know, something different. Whew. This brush makes it so easy to do. And I'm framing the inner corner of the eye too for a sexy look. With that eyeliner on, I'm gonna take that easy little brush again, and this color here called Commitment. It's a darker, very dark burgundy. I'm gonna go over the top and let that soften out a little bit. Okay, now I think it is time for mascara. I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs one. Sorry, itchy nose. Velvet Noir. Now I'm gonna put concealer on. I've been waiting for this because I feel like it's gonna make it look really nice and clean. This is the Beauty Blender, is it the Bounce? Yeah, Bounce Airbrush Liquid Whip Concealer. Now I love the Beauty Blender foundation, guys. I love it. So now they've got this concealer, and this one's called Medium Neutral, but because it's under my eyes, I think I want something a little bit brighter. I love that Beauty Blender does really good undertones, so I use the neutral undertone, but they have warm and cool as well, so that's good. This one is 2.2 NO, so olive. I think that brightness really helps to match it to my body a little bit better. I'm glad I didn't put too much on because this is an intense concealer, like a little goes a long way. Now I'll take the darker one. This one is 3.25 and medium neutral. I'm gonna put that on my little boo-boos. And I'm gonna dot some on the back of my hand because I'm gonna take this little brush, this angled one. I'm gonna put some of that concealer onto that teensy little brush, the Ciate one, and I'm just gonna use it, make sure it's really into the brush. Lift up that a little bit. See how it's not quite perfect there? I'm gonna use the brush to Make it more flawless. See? That's a perfect match for me. Now I'm going to put some lip balm on my lips because they're feeling really crusty and I just can't continue on like this. So this one is Smith & Colt, the CBD one. I just keep this in the drawer next to, oh, it's got a little mirror in there. That's handy. Didn't even know that. I'm going to put eyelashes on. I think eyelashes are very important for this look. The mascara is great and I do think it holds itself like without lashes, but just for me and my life and my choices and my lifestyle and how I'm trying to be tonight, I'm gonna put lashes on and I'm gonna choose, I think I'm gonna choose my Milano lashes. Once the lashes are on and the glue is drying, I'm pushing out, up and out the edge so that it dries like that. So I've got that sexy flick to my eye, so it like complements the wing. Now I'm gonna move on to the Love Glow palette from Natasha. Look at that. It's so cute. So you've got two creams and I love that she's got them protected. Ta-da! Oh wait, that's not a cream. Why does she have these protected? Maybe they're like more delicate formulas, but that one's definitely a cream. That one's a powder. Let's, ooh, wow, that's smooth. Wow, okay. So the cream base. So I guess this is what you put on before you put this one on. So this is what they all look like. That's the cream base. That is the Super Glow, which I think you're meant to put on top of that. And then that's the Impact Powder. And the Diamond Powder is the really glitzy one. Ta-da! Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna take the shimmery blush. Now I'm nervous that this is gonna be intense. I'll take the Glow Cream Base. Tap it right there. And then let's take the Glow Impact Powder. Impact, whoa. Applying it over the top of that cream is very effective. Now I've color switched that little pencil brush to Oblivion. Like on my old face halo, I've rubbed it and rubbed it, rubbed it till all the darker colors are off. And I'm gonna take the diamond powder on my brush, and it looks really pink in the pan, but when I swatched it on the back of my hand, it was actually quite like sheer and diamondy, like. So I'm gonna load it up on that brush. I'm gonna put it in here. Adding some more sparkle, this is the Heavy Metal Liner in Grind from Urban Decay. Just adding a little highlight line right there. Kind of like a little crescent. I've also got this purple one called Studio. I'm gonna add like like a tiny little amount over the top. Just so that there's some purple in there. But it's really subtle. Now, to finish off the makeup look, I'm gonna take my contouring powder in, I think this is Light, yeah, from Kevyn Aucoin. And this is the JD Wadey 180 contouring brush by Luxie. It's got a blending side as well. Gonna add a bit of contouring. Extremely light though. It didn't even bronze. Now, I don't know why my hair looks so stringy. I think I need to put some dry shampoo in it. I literally washed it yesterday. But I do have a humidifier in my room. I feel like maybe that's what's making my hair look stringy the next day. So I need to put up with it because there's no way I'm stopping using my humidifier. My humidifier has been the best thing ever. Really helps your skin if you have a humidifier. Only if you live in a dry climate. If you already live in a humid climate, you probably don't need it. Now, Pat McGrath sent me these lip glosses and I thought they would go really nice with this look. I like lip glosses because if you're about to suddenly start making out with your Valentine, then glosses, you know, are easy to take off and put back on. Whereas lipstick, like if you had a matte liquid lipstick on, you're gonna have a bad time. Okay, I'm gonna line my lips so they look really nice and kissable and pouty. This one's the Smashbox Always Sharp Lip Liner in Nude Fair. So this is the Opulust gloss from Pat McGrath. Ooh. Is it gonna be too much glitter? Oh, this smells like candy. The answer is yes. Too much glitter. I mean, that's beautiful, but I need something flat. Let's do that again. I'll take my Lawless Nude Gloss in Velvet. Oh my God, this is the perfect color for my lips. Then if you're gonna make out, you just go, and then go for it, okay? The makeup is done. I'm gonna go do my makeup. Sorry, wow, I just spent an hour and a half doing my makeup. I hope it's done. I'm gonna go do my hair. This stuff, it needs a bit of dry shampoo. I'm gonna zhuzh it a little bit. So, burp. I'm back. Dry shampooed my hair with IGK First Class. Ooh, it makes my hair really soft. It felt yucky before, but now it feels soft again and really touchable. I'll just do that. And then my top is from Camila Coelho collection. And I thought it was cute because it's got all these really nice little pearls in it of different colors. And then the pink and purple pearls in it. And it looked good with my eye makeup. So it's kind of sexy and easy access. But at the same time, the pearls are really pretty and it's black. So my makeup is doing the talking. And I can, you know, wear whatever I want with it. I can wear jeans. I can wear a nice pair of pants. I really like this. And it's easy to take on and off. And you also should do this. Whoa. Oh my God, are they mine? Oh, they look so big. Yeah, and then my necklace is from by Charlotte. And on one side it says Love in Light. But this side, the side that I mean it to be on, says CS for Chloe and Seba. That's there. And then these are from by Charlotte too. Yeah, this look is perfect for any date night look, I think, or any girls night or whatever you want it for. I mean, it's just a really nice excuse to wear pinks. And I love wearing pinks on my eyes because it makes my green eyes pop a little bit, or it makes the green in my eyes pop, because otherwise it's kind of a confusing color. A lot of people say my eyes are blue, but I definitely think they're like a greeny color. Anywho, before I go, if you've made it to the end, I know that you are dedicated and I want you to know that I appreciate you. I want to give this out to someone that sees this and writes the secret code, which is rubies, in a comment or in with their comment, and I'll pick someone to win this Lancome Rubies lipstick. It's so nice. I almost don't want to give it away, but I will. I love you guys. If you want to win that, leave a comment. It can say anything as long as it has the word rubies in it. You can say rubies at the beginning or rubies at the end or rubies in a comment on its own. I'll pick someone to win, and you can be anywhere in the world. You also have to thumbs up the video and be subscribed. So yay, good luck everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time, and bye.